Welcome back to another video. So I received the following command, doesn't work. So this will be regarding Blender, how to enable screencast keys. So I'm over here within Blender 4.02, and as you can see over here, I have screencast keys added. I can enable that. If I'm going to press something, that will be displayed over here on the left. Now keep in mind that you will find this within preferences. Within add-ons, if you're going to search for screencast keys, it will be listed over here. And this will also work within other versions. For example, I'm using over here Blender 4.01. As you can see, again, I have screencast keys. If I'm going to press something, we're going to have those displayed. The same will be over here for the mouse. So if I'm going to do a left click, middle mouse, or a right click over here. Now, keep in mind that over here, this will be within add-ons, screencast keys. So they will not be moved within extensions. Other elements have been moved over here within extension. As you can see, I do have an update over here. So I can go ahead and I can update this from get extension for screencast keys, but I also have it over here within add-ons. Okay, so this is how you can enable screencast keys. It still works, at least over here on my version. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this kind of content. You're going to find a similar video over here on the left side. And I will also add a subscribe button to the right. So that's it. Thanks for watching.